What's up, guys? What's going on, people of YouTube? It's Sergio here with Tech Over Clock. I'm sorry that I sound a little different. I just got some spacers put in my mouth, and I got my braces readjusted, so I apologize for sounding cringy. You can click on this video now if it makes you cringe. But anyway, in today's video, guys, I want to take a look, and I'm reviewing, sound testing this beautiful professional 14-channel mixer. All right, and right now you're listening to me going through here into the speakers. All right, I'm going into the speakers, and then my Rode wireless is picking up the live ambient sound, and I'm over here on Epidemic Sound, where you can get your copyrighted music, any music you want. All right, and as you can see, I'm going from my computer to my interface USB, and then from there I'm coming out of the headphones into the insert of this mixer, and you can hear how beautiful it sounds. You can EQ it, you can put more highs, but I'll explain that to you in a minute. All right, if you're thinking probably like, man, should I buy this mixer or not? Like, what are the reviews? What people are talking about? Some people are talking about of this specific mixer. Some people are saying, man, the Bluetooth doesn't work. The Bluetooth is kind of confusing. Let's go there right quick. Okay, so what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna go ahead and lower the volume of the computer, so no sound is coming through here, and I'm gonna play the Epidemic sounds from here, from the cell phone. And so let's go ahead and play this one, sugar coated. See how this sounds. Okay, so right here you can select Bluetooth, or you can select the USB input. I connected my phone to the mixer. Okay, so right now we got sound coming from my phone Bluetooth. Okay, and this is the channel that you're gonna choose. It's 13 and 14. I was having a little bit of issues trying to figure out where it was. Let's play this one. I like this one better. Okay, a little trap music going. I'll get to the input of it. I just wanted to show you guys working, how beautiful it sounds. This is my studio. Okay, this is where I record music. Those are the Yamaha HS80M. Okay, this is a fader for the Bluetooth. You can take, you can EQ it. You can turn up the volume as well. You can go left, and you can go right. All right. Let me explain to you the channels. There's 14 channels, so I'm gonna explain to you one thing. I'm gonna go on channel 6. On channel 6, you got the fader, you got the effects control, how much effects you want to add. We got delay, and we got repeat. All right. We also got only one auxiliary, like a monitor for stage. All right. Then we got the EQ. We got 3 options for EQ. We got low, like the bass. We got the mediums, and then we got the highs. All right. Right here we got the pen to go left and right. We got the option to go left and right. Okay. And then we have the plus 45 dB, minus 10 and minus 45. So if you need more boost, you can add it. On the right side of the mixer, we have the main output. Okay, we got 48 volt phantom power if you want to use a condenser microphone. We got the delay, we got the repeat, we got the headphones, we got the auxiliary amount, how much you want to send out to the auxiliary, to the monitors, and we got the effects, how much you want to add. and obviously you control it on each channel. At the right side, we got the USB input. Nobody really uses that, to be honest, but if you do, I mean, it's there. We got the headphones out, left and right main channels. We got left and right 13 and 14 inputs. We got the auxiliary out, we got the output left and right out, and we also got the effects input in there. We also got left and right RCA connectors input if you need to, like, if you got like a CD player from, you know, back in the ancient times. Just kidding. If you're starting your studio and you need a whole lot of inputs, well, this one is simply great. At the top, we got the insert, we got line, and then we got the XLR inputs. So you can't really go wrong with it. For the price, it's a banger. I tell you, it's a bang for your money. It sounds really good. Yeah. Let me test some of the effects. Watch this. Yeah. All right. Okay. It's more like a reverb. When you turn down the delay, it's more like a reverb. Yeah. Okay. All right. Yeah. I would have liked to see some a delay. I mean, some, what do you call it? Some pitch changer. But this sounds really good. Yeah, boy. All right. Okay. All right. It'll get the job done. It will get it done. No questions asked. I can't talk that well, guys. I got the spacers in the back. The mixer is good. Buy it. This is Sergio with the overclocked. And that beat is like, the beat is cool. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, boy. Do it. I'll see you guys later, guys. Bye. It's a bang for the money.